Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Grantham. So let's begin. Grantham is a medium-sized town station on the East Coast Main Line, 105 miles, 38 chains, 169.7 kilometres down the line from London King's Cross. The station is served by London North Eastern Railway, Hull Trains and East Midlands Railway Regional. Grantham is the terminus of the Poach line that runs from Grantham to Skegness, and the terminus of the Nottingham to Grantham line, which runs from Nottingham to Grantham. The station has 4 platforms and it was opened in 1852. In 1906, the Grantham rail accident happened. A train derailed and it killed 14 people, and in 2019/2020 the station was used by 1.391 million people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts of Boom, and remember to stay alert.